I'm Sally Reed. I am a retired educator, special ed teacher, and I have a family of 10 kids and a husband and a really cute puppy. So prior to finding YogaFaith, I was very clear that when I was doing yoga that I was worshiping internally, and I felt like that couldn't be done on the mat in the secular world that I was in for yoga. And I was yearning for something where what was on the inside could be expressed on the outside as well. And so I started researching Christian yoga and found YogaFaith and knew pretty much right away that I wanted to do it. I wanted to do it for more selfish reasons, maybe. I am in the middle of a health crisis, and I knew that I needed the mind, body, and soul connection and healing part that I couldn't get in a secular yoga format. Probably the biggest takeaway was just seeing all these strangers that are sisters in Christ, but I knew none of them coming to this. And it was the first time in this 2-year health crisis that I've been in that a group of people have laid hands on me and prayed for me. And it was just amazing and phenomenal.